Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got two Chevy Tahoe. One is a 2022 Chevy Tahoe, other one is 2023 Chevy Tahoe. So basically they are on the same platform, not a lot of changes. Both of them are by Matchbox and both of them are finished in some kind of shade of maroon. This one is slightly darker, this is slightly lighter. Now, there are certain differences, both of them are different trims. This is a Z71, doesn't specifically mention which trim this one is, but I think that's like the regular road going ones. There are a lot of similarities in between them, but there are differences too. So being moving parts, this one has an opening hood, obviously this is a main line, so no opening parts here. Now I'm going to start with the similarities they have. So side profile is very much similar until you go to the bumpers. The front bumper is different on the Z71 because it's slightly off-road biased. This one is very straight, but here you see it's slightly cut down here. And apart from that, they have kind of same finish on both of them. They have side steps, D plus in the plastic part, and you get the fuel fill door on this side, and the tires and wheels also look very similar. Even for the rear, the details are very close. You can see the Chevy badge, Tahoe badge, tail lamps are detailed, quad exhaust on both of them. The main line just says Z71 on the plate, so that's Z71. Driver side, again almost identical. See the opening hood, that's the difference I would say. Front is where the major differences are. If you look at the details on the moving part, they almost have identical headlamps and running lights, but the bumpers are different. Here it's much flatter, much lower. Here it cuts on an angle and has a skid plate. But the details on the front, the moving part seems to have a texture which makes it look more realistic. The main line doesn't have any texture, and it's just a big black paint, so it kind of looks flat and not detailed. Size wise they are very identical. The mirrors are different on both of them. I think that's because of the trim specific, I guess. On the top, you can see this one, so it has a dual pane sunroof, so I'm assuming that's a higher model. This one doesn't. The Z71 interior, both of them have interior in them, both of them tinted glass. This one has a bit more tint than the moving parts, so there's slight different, like looks a bit different. On the bottom, again not a lot of details, and they kind of look similar on both of them when it comes to detail. This one has a more darker base, this one is a lighter gray. What are differences? Obviously the hood opens on this one, so you get details. It doesn't open with much. Now they are launched I think a year apart. This one came first, this one came now. So they do look good. I would really like them. Only thing I think they messed up a front a little bit on the main line. Otherwise they look good, they look nice together. Same vehicle, different trim levels. And yeah, if you like big full-size SUVs, well, obviously Matchbox are not that big, you're gonna like this. They look good together. Well, those are my thoughts. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.